Okay, it's like 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm upstairs looking for my, look at that right there. Look at that thing right there. Look at that. Look. Now how jacked up is that? That is my remote control to my Apple TV. I was upstairs for the last 30 minutes tearing my bed apart looking for that remote. I pulled the sheets off my bed. This is my bed lining. I think the remote's pretty screwed up now. I'm almost sure of it. So I was upstairs looking for the remote and I couldn't find it, going crazy, tearing my room apart, checking my pockets. And I hear this noise downstairs. I was like, what in the world is going on? I'm just washing sheets. And guess what? I can't get it out for another 2 hours. No, 1 hour and 24 minutes. And look at that. I'm washing at 205 degrees. This sucker is so hot I can't even touch it. So I think I'm pretty fucked. How about that?